Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as a part of exercise, let me grab the table topic for today. The table topic for today is when you are 80 years old, what will matter to you the most? When you are 80 years old, what will matter to you the most? This is a question, this is a good question to think about, to just gaze your journey, just to reflect your journey. How are you progressing in your life? So as of today, what I think might not be true, what I think maybe 1 year later or 5 years later. So what I will be thinking at the age of 80 will be dependent on what are things that I'm thinking today. So at the age of 80 years, what will matter most to me is that uh, I would want to reflect over three things. Number one is I would be very happy that if I reached or was able to fulfill my potential. So when I will be 80 years old, would not, uh, I would be really sad if I did not try harder, or maybe I did not reach my potential. That's the number one. Second thing is that whatever I done in my the most prominent year, that would yield some fruitful results that should impact something in the society. That something should change because of my work. That is the number two that I would reflect over it and what will matter. And third thing which will matter to me is that I was able to live life, and that is the most important. So you should not think that these are the priority order. These are three things, and one of the most important thing is that I should be satisfied that I was able to live my life. I was able to fulfill my journey. So that's the satisfaction that I would want to talk about, would mean the most important thing in that world. Thank you. Over to you.